Hello students, now today we are going to discuss class 7th science chapter number 4 heat. Now the topic is reading of thermometer. Clear? So first of all we will observe the thermometer and then I understand how you measure the heat or temperature using this thermometer. Clear? So this is a clinical thermometer. Observe this thermometer. So it has starting with 35 and up to 42. It is measuring the temperature of a human body. Now first we will understand the two bigger mark that is given to us 36 and 37, and now we will count the number of division between them. Clear? So it is divided by 10 division. So the total number of division between these two is 10. Total division is equal to 10. Clear? Okay. Now how we understand how much every division is measuring. Clear? Okay. Now note the temperature difference indicating between two bigger marks. Clear? So we have seen that one, and how much division? It is 10 division. Also note down number of division between these marks. Suppose the bigger marks reads 1 degree and there are 5 division between them. Clear? So then the number of division can be read. Okay, so we'll again observe this and find out the our result. Okay, again observe this. So 35 to 36, 1 degree increases. Clear? So 1 degree upon total number of division 10. So how much one the gap is observing? So we can write it as 0.1. Clear? 0.1 is our reading. Okay, so what do you understand? You will understand how to find out the reading of a small division. So in this, according to your book, it is divided into 5 in small divisions. Clear? And we will observe that thermometer, it is divided by 2 division, 36 and 37, and how many? 10 divisions. So 1 degree is divided into 10 equal divisions. So we can observe that. So one small division can be read as 1 upon 10. So that is 0.1. Clear? Okay. Now next step you have to take, wash the thermometer probably with the antiseptic solution. So you have might observe that when you go to the clinic, doctor's clinic, so you will see that the thermometer is insert antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly, give them few jerk. Also you will see that when you have you and your family members have fever and go to do testing with the doctor, so you will see that the doctor has take a jerk on that thermometer. So what he is doing, he is adjusting the mercury. And what is the role of mercury? Mercury is so exact temperature to you. Clear? I will see you how it is so. Just look at that. This red line is indicating that mercury. Have you seen that? So it must be, when you go to observation, it must be below 35 degree. Clear? So just look at that, how much temperature now you will see. So it is all about at least how many is it is divided, again 10 division, 10 degree is so, and 5 division is this. So it maybe we can write it as it is 22 or 23. Clear? Similarly in this case it is so 37.5. temperature, 37.5 degree temperature. Clear? So this red line is indicating it is mercury. Okay. Now how you observe that? For that, now place the bulb thermometer under your tongue after few minutes. So you might observe these things when you went to the doctor. So he said to you that, and put your this thermometer below your tongue. Clear? So normal temperature of human body is 37 degree. This is very important. In degree Celsius, what it is? 37 degrees Celsius. Clear? And note your status. Suppose that you are checking yourself, how much temperature is this? Clear? Pahili measures her body temperature, so she got worried. It was not exactly 37. So it is, if it is less than 37 and greater than 37, so it may be you are not fit. Clear? Okay, so there is some activities given to you. Measure the body temperature some of your friend with name and temperature. So you can do this by using a thermometer. Clear? Okay, clinical thermometer records your observation. Is the body temperature is 37 every person? The question mark is that temperature of every person, the body temperature of every person is 37. It could be slightly higher than and lower than. Actually, what we call normal temperature of average body temperature. So clear? Sometimes it may be greater than 37 and sometimes it is less than 37. Clear? So both conditions can be applicable. The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body. The temperature of human body normally not goes below 37, 35 and above 42. That is the reasons it is range of 35 to 42. Clear? So very important observation, will see that the clinical thermometer, you will see it is not less than 35 and greater than 42. Just see, this is your clinical thermometer. Clear? So today what we are doing, we are observing, we will discuss reading of thermometer and what kind of thermometer we will take. We will take clinical thermometer. Clear? Now next we will discuss, next one is that laboratory thermometer. Clear? In my next video.